sa mga kaibigan ko sa Iloilo. Diyan ako on December 5 hanggang December 8 because I was invited by two organizations to talk in their event. Pagdating ko sa isang lugar, gusto ko makatulong sa mga local na negosyante. And that's the reason why we have decided to organize what we call Kape Tayo on December 6, 5 p.m. This will be held in Cafe 904 and I'd like to thank the owner for being so accommodating. Si Attorney Jumel Caceres. Ma'am Jomay, maraming salamat for agreeing to host the event and open your restaurant so that we can bless a lot of people. The title of the event is How to Sell Without Selling. And if you want to register, all you have to do is to buy a set of the new books that I publish about entrepreneurship and selling. Ako, I really believe they come as a pair because one complements the other. To register, kindly go to the link below. Again, ang title ng talk is How to Sell Without Selling. But this talk is not just for salespeople. In fact, it is more importantly for entrepreneurs. What do I mean? How important is the act of selling in a business? I would like to borrow a clip from Mark Cuban where he explains that the heart of the growth of business is in selling.
What's something that you wish every first time founder knew?
Sales cures all.
Sales cures all.
No sales, no company.
That's it.
No exceptions to
Because
that
people
rule.
get moored with all the other stuff, moored with their model, the marketing, and you need sales. I talk about this all the time. Focus on distribution, focus on your sales, focus on owning that story and just being the best salesperson possible
Yes.
because that's all you need at the
Right,
end of the
because
day.
if you can sell,
You'll figure the rest out.
yes, because
Everything else is not a
everything
problem.
follows through to that
Mhm.
sale. If you can't sell, it doesn't matter what you're good at. It doesn't matter anything else for that matter. You're stuck.
While selling is important in a business, I discovered that selling is one of the most difficult part in business. Kasi most of us were not trained to sell. But the fact is, pag wala kang benta, wala kang negosyo. Ako naniniwala that everyone needs to learn to sell. Empleyado ka, you must sell to your boss your ability to do the job well. Pastor ka, you need to be able to compose your message in order to sell the idea to the people who follow you. NGO ka, pag hindi mo nabenta yung advocacy mo, walang tutulong sa'yo. While to many people, selling is a bad profession, I've discovered that it is a noble profession. Kaso lang, the reason why many people avoid selling kasi marami ang maling turo. Like for example, many would say, when you sell, you need to persuade, you need to convince, you need to influence people to buy from you. Maski hindi maganda produkto mo. When I was in HP and even today, I believe selling is more than that. I have learned that people do not buy products, they buy solutions. And they will buy from people they trust. Importante rin yung experience nila pagbili sa'yo. Dapat pleasant ito, hindi masakit. This seminar is based on a book entitled The Greatest Salesman I Know Does Not Sell. Alam mo, the book is based on a true person, kaibigan ko siya. Alam mo, I never heard him sell like the traditional way we sell. We talk about features, advantage, benefit. So you convince people na dapat bumili sa'yo. Alam mo, itong kaibigan ko, I have not seen him sell. Pero grabe yung growth ng kumpanya nila. Even during the pandemic, lumaki sila ng lumaki. Hanggang ngayon, maski hirap ang economy. So I would like to share with you his style. Many people say selling is a skill. Others believe it's an art. Yung kaibigan ko naniniwala, it is about serving and helping people succeed in whatever they are doing. This seminar is obviously para rin sa mga taong nagbibenta. Nagbibenta ng insurance, ng real estate, or kung nasa multi-level network marketing ka. Sinabi sa inyo nung recruit kayo to become salespeople for the company you serve, you are entrepreneurs. So nagninegosyo ka pero hindi nila in-explain sa iyo kung ano ang totoong entrepreneurship. Kaya marami ang na-frustrate. In this talk, I would also like to explain ano dapat ang mindset ng isang salesman para maging profitable business yung ginagawa niya. And that is the reason why I am asking people to also buy the other book I published in 2024 entitled The Entrepreneur's Journey to Fruitfulness. Kasi naniniwala ako, Entrepreneurship is a journey. It is not an event. It is not about pursuing opportunities, but creating them. So if you are from Iloilo and gusto mo ng mga ideas on how to succeed in business, join me sa December 6 sa Cafe 904. I really hope I can see many entrepreneurs dun sa event na yon kasi ang desire ko lang naman, sana mapasa ko yung mga bagay na itinuro sa akin ng Panginoon kasi gusto niya fruitful ka. And ang hope ko, makatulong ako dun sa desire niya na magkaroon ka ng maginhawang buhay. So I hope to see you then. For the meantime, God bless you.